watching Arrcode for Kids, powered by Curiosity.
Dictation. Hello, children. Today we will listen to some words and write them. Are you ready? Let's go. Sun. Sun. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Sun. Man. Man. The man is sitting on the chair. Man. Jeep. Jeep. There is a jeep outside the shop. Jeep. Fit. Fit. We eat green vegetables to stay fit. Fit. Toy. Toy. Reeti and I have the same toy. Toy. Run. Run. I am going to walk and run in the park. Run. Bag. Bag. Aman is putting his books in the bag. Bag. Tree. Tree. The birds have a nest in the tree. Tree. Hill. Hill. He walked slowly up in the hill. Hill. Cub. Cub. The young one of a lion is called a cub. Cub. Old. Old. The old man caught a large fish. Old. Up. Up. An aeroplane is flying up in the sky. Up. Hat. Hat. I bought a new hat from the market. Hat. Bed. Bed. The kids are jumping on the bed. Bed. Hit. Hit. We should not hit others. Hit. Dog. Dog. My dog loves to walk with my father. Dog. Hut. Hut. There is a hut at the bank of the river. Hut. Sad. Sad. Rahul was sad because no one played with him. Sad.
Click the bell icon and the red subscribe button for more fun videos.